Hi, Coach Holls here from RBI Wales Baseball and Softball. Today I'm going to talk to you about softball. When people come play the game softball the first time, they are super confused because they expect a soft ball. But that isn't the case. Softball started off many years ago when someone took a rolled glove and hit it with a stick. Over the years, softball has evolved into a game that is similar to the American version of baseball, but played with a larger ball. The hardness of the balls is the same. What differs is the size. Also, in baseball, the pitch to the batter is overarm, whereas in softball, the delivery is underhand. Additionally, the American version of baseball is played on a diamond, which is actually square-shaped, which has 90 feet between bases, or each corner of the diamond. Softball is played on a diamond, remember, a square, that has 60 feet between bases. In American baseball and softball, unlike rounders or Welsh baseball where you run around posts, you'll step on each base as you round the diamond. A batter who hits the ball, then runs around the diamond and doesn't step on any bases is going to be out when the fielders throw the ball to one of their teammates and that teammate steps on the base that the runner did not step on. The only way you score a run in baseball and softball is by crossing home plate, which is the fourth base, and also the base that the batter starts off with when they go to hit the ball. Both these games are super fun, and now we're going to talk about skills that will help you play the games and have loads of fun. Let's throw the ball. First, grip the ball properly. Place the ball so that it looks like the laces make a C. Place 3 fingers on the top of the C. Place your thumb on the seam on the other side of the ball. Now that you've got your grip, concentrate on the center of your target. Now take a step towards your target with your opposite foot. At the same time that you step, make an L shape with your throwing arm. Bring the ball forward by twisting your hips towards the target, then releasing. Now let's catch the ball. In both baseball and softball, we use gloves. You can see my glove, it's a slightly larger glove because I like playing in the outfield, and this gives me a great big basket on my hand. This isn't going to be a comfortable glove like driving gloves or winter gloves. It is definitely a piece of leather on your hand. So my fingers will go up into the finger holes, and they only go about that far. See where my wrist is? Kind of poking out of this very roomy glove, but inside my fingers only go up to there. The pocket is where I want the ball to land when I'm catching it. Then I'll slam the glove shut with my other hand. So I'm not squeezing the glove, I'm holding it closed. It's important to use 2 hands because the ball will come out of the glove if you don't have it secure in there. When you're going to catch a ball that has been hit high in the air, you're going to want to try and get under the ball, close the glove around it when it comes in. If the ball is coming on the ground, you're going to want to get a wide stance, get on either side of the ball, the glove goes down to the ground, and then you will scoop the ball up when it gets in using soft hands and bringing it up to your body so that you can get ready to throw. So that looks like this. Notice how I shuffled over so that my feet were equally on either side of the ball. And now I'm scooping it up in and I'm ready to throw. Now let's hit the ball. In baseball and softball, you only want to swing at pitches that go through the strike zone. The strike zone is over the plate and between your knee and torso for fast pitch softball. For slow pitch, it goes up to shoulder. So that's an area right around here. To get ready to swing at a pitch, you'll put your hands on the bat like this, lining your knuckles up so that you can point your pointing fingers in the same direction. You will stand so that it looks like you're on a skateboard headed out towards the pitcher. You'll put your hands in front of your back shoulder, holding the bat like this. When you see a pitch that you like, you'll take a small stride, you'll turn your hip, you'll bring your hands through that plane, snapping the bat so that you can bring it all the way around. If you can snap the bat, which means you're rolling your wrists over, at the same time that you make contact with the ball will fly much further. This is what this looks like in real time. When I'm practicing off of a tee, I put the tee in front because you want to hit the ball in front of you. Yes, the zone is here, but this is going to send it straight back up the middle of the pitch. Okay? So that looks like this. You do not want to move your feet around except your front foot can move in order to open up your hips. Okay? It is the same in baseball. So we've talked about 3 key skills that will help you play the sport of baseball and softball. Have fun. See you next time.